Yo, what's up guys? Melvin here, back with another video. This time we're diving into the world of AI, but don't worry, you don't need to be a coding whiz for this one. We're going to build our own AI image generator using absolutely no code. Yep, you heard that right, no code. We'll be using some super cool platforms that let you train AI models with just a few clicks. By the end of this video, you'll be generating your own AI images like a boss. Let's get started. First things first, we need to figure out what kind of images you want your AI to generate. Do you want to create stunning landscapes? Maybe you're into generating funky avatars. Or perhaps you're feeling artsy and want to create abstract masterpieces. Whatever your vision, define it clearly. This is going to be the foundation of your AI image generator. Imagine you're giving instructions to a really enthusiastic but slightly clueless intern. Be specific. The clearer your objective, the better your AI will understand and execute it. Now that you know what you want to create, let's pick the tools for the job. For this project, we'll be using two awesome no-code platforms, Teachable Machine and Bubble. Teachable Machine, developed by Google, is a super user-friendly platform that lets you train AI models without writing a single line of code. It's like the Maggie of AI development, quick, easy, and surprisingly good. We'll use Teachable Machine to train our AI model on the type of images we want to generate. Bubble is another fantastic no-code platform that we'll use to build the actual web application for our AI image generator. It's basically like Wix or Squarespace, but for building powerful web apps. You can create interactive interfaces, connect to databases, and do all sorts of cool stuff without breaking a sweat. Our AI needs to learn what kind of images it should generate, and for that, it needs data. Lots of data. Think of it like feeding a baby, but instead of pureed carrots, we're feeding it images. You need to collect a whole bunch of sample images that represent the type of images you want your AI to create. And don't worry, you don't need to go on a photography expedition. The internet is your oyster. There are tons of free online resources where you can find images. For example, if you want to create an AI that generates images of cats, you can head over to websites like Pixabay or Unsplash and download hundreds of cat pictures. The more images you gather, the better your AI will be able to learn and generate new images. Now comes the fun part, training our AI model. Head over to Teachable Machine and select Image Project. You'll be greeted with a simple interface that asks you to upload your sample images. Remember those cat pictures you downloaded? Well, now's the time to put them to good use. Create different classes for the types of images you want to generate. For example, if you're doing cats, you could have classes like fluffy cats, grumpy cats, sleepy cats. You get the idea. Upload your images into their respective classes. Once you've uploaded all your images, hit that Train Model button and watch the magic happen. Teachable Machine will work its AI magic, crunching through all those images and learning the patterns and features that define each class. After the training is complete, you can export your model. Think of it like saving your progress in a video game. Time to build our web app. Head over to Bubble and sign up for a free account. Start a new project and get ready to unleash your inner designer. Bubble's drag and drop interface makes it super easy to design the look and feel of your app. Add buttons, text fields, image displays, whatever you need to make your app user-friendly and visually appealing. Remember, this is the face of your AI image generator, so make it look good. Think about the user experience. How will users interact with your app? Will they type in text prompts, upload their own images, or select from predefined categories? Design your interface to be intuitive and easy to navigate. Now it's time to connect our trained AI model to our shiny new Bubble app. This is where Runway ML comes into play. Runway ML acts as a bridge between your trained AI model and your Bubble app. It's like the diplomatic envoy that ensures smooth communication between two different countries. Use Runway ML to connect your exported Teachable Machine model to your Bubble app. Set up workflows in Bubble to manage how images are processed by your AI. For example, you can create a workflow that takes an uploaded image, sends it to your AI model for processing, and then displays the generated image on the screen. The moment of truth. It's time to see if our AI image generator actually works. Upload some images to your app and see what your AI comes up with. Don't be disheartened if the initial results aren't perfect. Remember, AI is a learning process, both for the machine and for you. Experiment with different settings, tweak your workflows, and see what works best. The beauty of no-code platforms is that you can easily make changes and see the results in real time. Think of it like a scientific experiment: test, observe, adjust, repeat. Your AI image generator is ready for the world. Bubble makes it super easy to deploy your app with just a few clicks. Once your app is live, share the link with your friends, family, and the rest of the internet. Let them experience the magic of AI image generation and bask in the glory of your creation. Congratulations, you've just built your own AI image generator without writing a single line of code. So there you have it, folks. Building an AI image generator doesn't require a PhD in computer science anymore. With the power of no-code platforms, anyone can unleash their inner tech wizard. It's like those instant noodles, surprisingly good and accessible to everyone. Now go forth and create amazing things with AI. I'm off to generate some AI memes because why not? Peace out!